Hey guys, today we're working on this 2018 Chevy Volt. Had a couple people email us about taking taillights off on different cars besides Subaru, so we got our hands on the Chevy Volt. It's 2018, and we're going to show you guys how to take the rear left taillight out. You need a Phillips and a T15. I don't know why these are T15. Now, they could just use the Phillip, and life would have been really simple, but I think they did it for someone might steal the taillight in the middle of the night. I don't know. So, right here. One T15 here. Got one right here. And we have a Phillip right here. Pulling those out. Taillight just has clips. See that? Just give it some nudge and just hold your hand so the taillight doesn't go flying. I'm pulling it out. There's a little red thing. Pull this red thing back, and then you can push the black pin. The taillight will the plug will come undone. Very simple. I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna clean this area up, and then we're gonna put the taillight back in. And very simple. The way it goes back in, this notch lines up with that, and this lines up with this. So we got to make sure this thing slides right back into, just smooth like this. This is what you got to worry about. If you don't get this in right, it's going to stick out, and if you push it, you're going to snap the taillight or break the clip behind it. So don't do that. But that's how this goes back in. We're not going to put it back in right now. We're going to clean it first, and then we'll put it back in. Polish the taillight so it looks new. This car will be for sale at one point, but at the time being, here's how you take the taillight out.